In this video, I want to take the time to teach you how to read a pattern by explaining what we're about to do in round 3. So for round 3, we are going to do the sequence of a single crochet stitch followed by an increase stitch a total of 6 times, which will create a total of 18 stitches. So here I have a diagram again, and this time this white circle represents round 2, which is over here. And remember that every number represents a stitch in the round. The number 1 represents the first stitch in the round, which is marked by the stitch marker. So we're going to start round 3 by making a single crochet stitch in the first stitch of round 2. And then we're going to mark that with a stitch marker again. Then we are going to do an increase in the second stitch of round 2, and that is why it's going to look like we put 2 single crochet stitches in the second stitch of round 2, and we just call that, for shorthand, an increase stitch. So as you can see, that is a total of 3 stitches in this sequence of a single crochet stitch followed by an increase stitch. And that's why if you go around the circle, you'll count up that at the end of round 3, we're gonna have a total of 18 stitches.